How to download Block Blast game on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Block Blast game on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the source icon at the bottom. Then tap on the source bar. Type Block Blast and search for it. Select the first search result for Block Blast. Then tap on the install button. The Block Blast game will start downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. So please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can start playing Block Blast game on your mobile device. Simply tap on the play button, give all the necessary permissions. Then you can start playing the Block Blast game without the need to create or log into an account. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install the Block Blast game on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.